Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss on how to maintain and do a water change in a planted nanoscape. Friends, what you see is the present state of the tank. It's been some days that I have did maintenance on this tank. It's full of algae. So let's start cleaning this tank. Alright, for cleaning purpose I've got an algae scraper which is used to remove the algae from side of the glasses, and I've got an air tube to pull out the water, and I've attached a stick to it so that the tube stands straight, and to another end I have attached a syringe which I'll be using to pull the water out of the tank. So first we have to remove the algae. For that you can just follow the video as how it's shown. So you can see that the algae are getting removed very nicely with the help of this algae scraper from the glasses. So let's remove the algae first, and then we will go to the water removal. Alright, so we have completed removing the algae from sides of the glasses. Now as you can see, I've just connected the tube to the tank and I'm pulling the other end which is connected to syringe, and you can see the water is coming out of the tube. So what next we are going to do is we are going to just brush it slowly on the woods and the stones so that the algae is getting removed out of the tank. As you can see, that waste is going out through the pipe. We have finished almost removing the algae from the stones and the wood. Now let's start with removing algae from the plants. As you can see, that plant leaf is fully covered with algae, and before doing this, please make sure that your plants are rooted well so that it's not getting uprooted when we apply the pressure on it. And this has to be done very carefully and slowly to avoid any uprooting of the plants. You can see that it helps us to remove the algae very nicely. It acts like as if it's a vacuum cleaner. You can see the waste algae and the other waste which is pulled out of the tank on this particular bucket. While cleaning the sand or the gravel, please make sure that you are not pulling the sand out of the tank. So for that purpose, you just need to shake little with the bottom, apply little pressure, so that only the waste which are settled down are getting floated, and those are pulled out of the tank. And you'll have to do it completely, so that all the waste is getting removed. And another thing to be noted, that here I have changed almost 50% of water, but it's not recommended if the tank is not so as dirty as in this video. So since it's like full of algae, I'm removing as much as I can, so that I can control the algae growth. As we completed taking out the water, now the next procedure is to add the water. As you can see in the video, that I am touching my hand to the water level, so that nothing, the plants or other items which are inside the aquarium is not getting disturbed. And you will have to add the water very slowly and carefully, as shown in the video. We have completed adding the water to the tank now. Now the next thing what we need to do is we need to add the Seachem XL. The purpose of adding this is to control the algae growth, as well as it also act as a liquid carbon dioxide. So while adding this, we need to make sure that we are only adding half the cap of this particular bottle, so that it's not overdosed. Alright, next thing what we are going to add is a Tropica premium nutrition, which is the fertilizer for the plant, and we just need to use only one pump as seen in the video. So only one pump is sufficient for this particular tank, and this has to be used thrice in a week, and the XL you can use alternate days, but should not be overdosing. That's it guys, we have finished cleaning and maintaining the tank now. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and it would be very informative for you guys, and please keep subscribed for the next updates. Thank you.